Everybody liked the boot tip stitch template that I came out with, so I did another one. This is a little bit of a variation. It's a little bit more intricate than the first one. First thing you're going to want to do on your leather is draw a vertical line and a horizontal line for placement. And then you'll see that there's a top line up here and a vertical line. So what we're going to do is we're going to line up the template in line with the placement lines that we just drew. Make sure those are all lined up, and we're going to draw the left section of that top curve. Okay, there we got that. We're going to flip it over, line up in the same spot. Make sure it's straight horizontally and vertically. And now you're going to draw the right side of that top curve. So there you got the first set. Next we're going to do is we're going to draw the next set, which is at the bottom. You'll notice that there's a dotted line on this template. We're going to use that dotted line now and line that up to the horizontal guideline that we first drew and line up the vertical line. And we're going to draw that left curve. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing for the right side. So there we have it. Now we're going to take step 4 is we're going to draw this curve here. So we're going to line up A with the end of that one, and we're going to line up C with our center line. And we're going to draw that curve, and we're going to flip it over and do the same thing for this, lining up A and C. Just want to make sure that where your lines are crossing, they're on that center. And there you have it. It's little, I think I got that one a little bit high. Now, you'll also notice that on this template, there was some holes. You can mark those as reference points if you want. It's not necessarily, but those would line up to where the points cross. So you got this cross, this tip, and that tip. So if you wanted to mark those on your leather just so that you know where that's supposed to end, you can do that. I just try to do a quick one. And then also there is the topper. This matches the same topper that's on the other design. I'm not going to go through how to draw that since I covered it before, but essentially you're just going to line that up, draw your top arch and your bottom line. You're going to flip it, line up that dotted line to that bottom line you just drew, draw another line, move it up, draw your arch and your top line, flip it again, line up that dotted line at the top line and draw that second line underneath to do the topper. And when you're all finished, it's going to look like this, stitched out.